say, how do you want to know how the data distributed? Do you need a result actually? You can apply 5-number summary. But Daniel, I wanted to know how the data distributed, but I don't want numerical data. I wanted to create like a diagram. I wanted to create like what, man? Then go for box plot. Go for what, man? So the point is, box plot is the representation, diagrammatic representation for 5-number summary. మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను చూడండి. బాక్స్ ప్లాట్ ఈస్ ఎ టెక్నిక్. Box plot is what, man? Technique. Also called as a diagram. By using that, we can visualize 5-number summary. We can visualize what, man? 5-number summary. నేను definition రాసాను చూడండి. Box plot. Box plot is a diagram or technique. It's a diagram. It's a diagram. Diagram for what? Diagram to visualize చెప్తారా? To visualize the 5-number summary. Okay, that's what you need to be understand. You can also call it it's a technique. దీన్ని మనం టెక్నిక్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. It's a technique. Can I write the definition like, so or అని పెట్టి రాయమంటారా? Or it's a technique for what? To visualize 5-number summary. To visualize what, man? 5-number summary. Good, we are good to go. Let me draw box plot. Let me draw what, man? Box plot. Are you ready? Yeah, Daniel, we are ready. Hurry. Yeah. So then let's look at did you remember data visualization? Data visualization part number 1. Jason, what's part number 1? Then let me just try to look into that material. You will get an idea. So kindly look at box plot. Box plot topic actually. Go back and data visualization and part number 1. Did you remember, sir? A long back I kept hold actually. The topic name is a box plot. What is the topic name? Box plot. Yeah, see, this theory I can read. Hold on. Now look at the diagram. Box plot diagram looks like this. Ela untundi box plot diagram. Box plot actually. We'll do one thing. I have taken a data. Import matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. Any idea what is import? Keyword, very nice. And I have taken data. Univariate analysis. We are creating a diagram by using a single column. By using what, man? Single column. I'm not using 2 columns. If you are using 2 columns, then that is called as a bivariate analysis. Chappan Sarji? Bivariate. But this one is called as a univariate analysis. Univariant, anything you can say. మిమ్మల్ని గుర్చోమని చెప్పాను. మేబీ మీరు గుర్చేయలేదు. For one college, I have prepared one data visualization material. Remind me. Maybe somebody you have to remind. Aditya, you can remind. WhatsApp, you can text me. Okay. I will share. Trust me, don't miss material. Meer material miss aithe, you are going to miss a lot actually. That is a even good material I have prepared. Official, I should not share at Naresh Shetty, but let me upload. But where is Daniel? That is available in my personal laptop. This is Naresh Shetty laptop actually. A personal laptop lo materials untai. Good. Back to the session. This one is a data. I have taken 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Good. Plain small scale data I have taken. If you create a box plot, I have a question. What is a box plot? Function. How can we say you are calling by using alias name? You are calling by using alias name or package name actually. Box plot. The moment once you are calling the box plot, yeah, look at the diagram, Sarji. Mere diagram chodandi okasari. Okay. Can you tell me what is the minimum value? 10. What is the maximum value? 50. See, almost the first line indicates to minimum value. Okay, starting point. Then if you look at the top, maximum value. The next one, what is the median? What is the middle value? 30. First of all, data is intentional. I have taken sorted data so that we can catch very quickly. Yeah, 30 is a median. 30 is what exactly, man? Median. Then what is the Q1? 20. What is the Q1? What is the 20. Then what is the Q3? 40. Such a nice diagram representation actually. By looking at the, see, very, very important discussion. The topic name is so called as a box plot. What is the topic name? Box plot is a diagram or a technique For what? To visualize 5-number summary. To visualize, intentionally I have taken only 5 numbers. But if you can take 50 numbers also. You can take 500 numbers also. If it is a small scale data, even by looking at, we can easy to tell. Think like a 5,000 values would you have, 50,000 values would you have. Then during that time, this box plot, it will be helpful for us actually. Can I ask a question? The bottom line is called as a minimum value. The next one, maximum value. Next one, median. Next one, Q1. Next one, Q3. That's it actually. One more important point. This line and this line, as of now, it is equal. Rendu equal gaane unnayi kada. Good. Remember this one. This line and this line, as of now, it is equal. Next one. First of all, there is a full box actually. Separate meaning untundi deniki. And this box is exactly off partitioned actually. This box and this box is the same as of now. We are going to see the different diagrams. Line may not be same. May not be same length actually. Come on, look at my face. Now mohon chudandi. The next one, the box may not be same actually. May not be what exactly mean? Same length. As of now, it is the same. I will show you the diagram. Can I draw this diagram, Daniel? Yes, you can draw, sir. Draw cheddam chudandi. Did I cover Notepad++? Use Notepad++. Import matplotlib dot myplot as plt. Let me take data 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. plt dot box plot. What do I need to pass? plt dot let me draw this. Creating box plot. Yeah, this is the diagram. We done this. Okay, yeah, cool. Please understand this one. This is so called as a box plot. Let me save the image. This image I can upload. No outliers. Outliers live as of now. There is no outliers actually. Show images. Okay. Are you ready, sir? Yeah, Daniel, we are ready. We'll do one thing. Let me take another value which is so called as a 150. Which is so called as what exactly? 150. Now talk with me. What happened? Good, very good. I would like to tell from 10 to 50 common data. 10 to 50. Then there is a sudden surprise value. First of all, what is outlier? The value which is very far from 150 is outlier. Now, the box plot we can create without outlier. You can create with outlier. If you create a box plot with outlier, diagram alone to the telusa meeku. Let me draw the diagram. The diagram looks like this. Yeah. Please understand this. Meeru okasari chudandi, close ga observe cheyandi. Yeah, first of all, can you tell me what is this point actually? Do you wanted to see outlier actually? Create a box plot. Create what exactly? Box plot is helping in two ways. Rendu rakaluga upayogapadutundi. What are those things? The first one, we can visualize 5-number summary, and even we can visualize outliers also. We can visualize what, man? Yeah. If it is outlier, it displays like this. Like imagine even if 2 to 3 outliers also, that is still fine. It will display like a dot actually. I believe you understand. Can I get a response from you? More to the discussion. No outliers with the data. Ayyo. We have an outliers. Outliers with what exactly meant data. Let me take this. We'll see. What happened? Can I continue? Okay, move on. So go back. Go back, and this is the way. I hope you understand. We have created a box plot. We have created what exactly mean box plot. Actually, we are good to go. Now this theory, if you want, you can walk through. మీరు ఒకసారి theory చదవండి మీ free time లో. So box plot helps us to measure how well the data is distributed. The graph shows minimum value, maximum value, median, first quartile, third quartile, blah blah blah. These are all right. Use box plot. Use box plot when you get get the overall statistical information about the data distribution. It is good tool for detecting outliers. Yeah. By using box plot, even we can recognize what's the outlier. You can detect or recognize. Okay. Box plot explanation. The line dividing the box into the two shapes, median of the data, whatever I have covered, you guys kindly please walk through. IQR is important. I'm going to cover in another few minutes. Yeah. Kindly please observe this one, Sarji. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What is the next one? 90. Right. So ML algorithm need this data only. When it comes to 90, we need to handle this value. Kindly please observe here. Can you tell me the line is, what is the line actually? What is the line, Sajay? Minimum value. Yeah, good. Of course, according to the data, 90 is the maximum. 90 is what, Sajay? Maximum. But conclude that one is an outlier. Conclude that one is what exactly, sir? Outlier. Then 50 will become what exactly? Maximum. Yes, this one is a 50 point actually. Please understand this. Now, what you guys need to understand is, from here to here, this is the common data. Chapter, Sajay? Common data. Common data. Please understand. The two. This line, think like a 1 kilometer. This line, just a matter of 1 meter actually. There is a meaning. Then I will tell you, hold on. But as of now, this box and this box size is the same. Size is what, Saji? Same. By looking at the diagram, we can talk more actually. Imagine like this would have a 50,000 values. Oh my God, how many? 50,000 values. By looking at 50,000 values, we may not talk actually, but by looking at just a matter of one diagram, we can talk a lot. I will tell you what are those things, right? This is the diagrammatic representation. Can you tell me with outlier? Chappan Sarji? With outlier. Okay, we'll see. Chuddam. We'll see this one later. Where are we? Back to the session. I covered these are all. We can take above 5 number summary and create a box plot. A box plot gives visual representation, kind of some diagrammatic representation about what? 5 number summary. That's what you need to be understand. Yeah. So if you scatter the values like this, what is the data points above? Can you tell me? So this is the starting point is at 10, 11, 12 respectively, 59. Now here the diagrammatic representation started from 0, 1, 2, 3 and the frequency is the 10. In between the difference is the 10, 10, 10. What is the last value? 60. Good. Can I ask a question? What is the minimum value, sir? Man question yesterday diagrammatic representation. What is the minimum value? Kada? Yeah, hold on. Array. See, this one is a minimum value. This one is maximum value. This one is median. This one is Q1. This one is Q3. Go to the diagrammatic representation. Diagram lo chudani meer actually ga. Yeah. Kindly please observe. It's okay. I would like to tell minimum value 10. Maximum. Do you think maximum value is a 60 actually? No, 59. Then what is the median, Saji? Cheppandi. 33. Yes, exactly. This is the point. Then next one will be Q3. What is the Q3 value? 36. What is the Q1 value? 25. Did you observe? Meeru chala jagrataga observe cheyandi. First of all, this is the box. That box is divided into 2 parts. There is a one big part, there is a one small part. There is a meaning. I will tell you what is that meaning. Then this line and this line is not equal as of now. Why? Hold on, I will tell you. Okay, more to the discussion. Minimum value, maximum, blah blah blah. We covered this one already, and gives a visual representation about what exactly 5 number summary. Box plot is very very important. Now this is the box plot. Anyway, in math we can draw like this, but according to that matplotlib, if you draw the diagram representation like this actually. Understand this, okay? Univariate analysis. Univariate words are analysis. Good. Try to understand. Now the horizontal lines For box plot there is a line, right? And the first line, think like, so this is the line 1 actually. I would like to tell line 1, and this one is a line 2. These lines having the separate definition, that what is called as a whiskers. What is that one? Whiskers actually. Whiskers or whiskers. The horizontal line that extends out of the box, out from the box, is called as a whiskers. Great. The horizontal line that extends out from the box is called as a whiskers actually. Whiskers. The next one. Please everybody please focus actually. There is a box, right? I told there is a box. This box having the separate definition. The box is a separate definition. What is that separate definition? You know, Sarji? That separate definition in name is so called as a IQR. Can you repeat one more time? IQR. What do you mean by IQR? You know, Sarji? The interquartile range. One more time. Interquartile range. What is the range actually? Range formula enti? Maximum value minus, then IQR formula will be Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1 actually. Q1. You will see. You will get these are all things. IQR. What do you mean by IQR? Interquartile range. Chappan Sarji, interquartile range. This is so called as interquartile range. The formula will be Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus what mean? Q1. There is a lot. So please understand. Now I need to display these are all. Display chestan chudandi. Kind info. Minimum value. Next one. Maximum value. The next one. Median. The next one. Chappan sir. Q1. The next one. Q. If I write like this, then you will get a clarity. Then after this, what we can do? We can create a box plot. Create what exactly? Create box plot. Box plot we can create by using what? 5 number summary. When I'm talking about the box plot, what is the first one? Whiskers. Whiskers. The horizontal lines is called as a whiskers. The next one, just now I covered actually. Chapter IQR. IQR. Interquartile range. What is the formula? Q3 minus. That's what you need to be understand. Q3 minus what exactly mean? Q1. When you're talking about the box plot, get ready. Whiskers. What do you mean by whisker? You should idea. Then what do you mean by IQR? Also you should get an idea. There is a lot we are going to cover here. Get ready, sir. Okay. Easy, right? Ardhotunda? It's a very easy. It's a very easy. Now, nice. Just even previously we have seen outliers topic. What is the topic actually? Outliers, right? We can create a box plot with the data. If the data having outliers, what exactly? Outliers, we are going to detect. If a box plot having the outlier, listen carefully. If a box plot having the outlier, in mathematically, that is so called as a modified box plot. Modified box plot. Right. When I say modified box plot, don't think too much. A box plot with outlier. A box plot with outlier actually. Ante మనం box plot draw చేసాం. In that there is outlier. In that there is a what exactly mean? Outlier. That is so called as a modified box plot. What box plot mean? Modified box plot. Okay. Now can I continue? Hold on. Data. No outlier. Second one, having outlier. If no outlier, that is so called as a normal box plot. Then మామూలుగా box plot అని పిలవచ్చు. Then this is so called as a box plot with outlier. Box plot with what exactly mean? Outlier. దీన్ని మరో రకంగా కూడా పిలవచ్చు. What is that one? Modified box plot. Very simple. That's it. Either you can say or else like this. Modified box plot. Can I continue? Yeah. Then I'll repeat again. Sir, there is a data. Just now I covered. Data having, first of all, no outlier. If no outlier, then that is so called as a normal box plot. Also called as a box plot without outlier. ఇప్పుడు అవుట్లేయర్ లేనప్పుడు ఇంకా అవుట్లేయర్ డిస్కషన్ ఎందుకు, రైట్? నార్మల్ బాక్స్ ప్లాట్. బట్ హ్యావింగ్ అవుట్లేయర్, డేటా మే కంటైన్ అవుట్లేయర్. ఇఫ్ ద డేటా హ్యావింగ్ అవుట్లేయర్, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు క్రియేట్ ఎ బాక్స్ ప్లాట్. వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మీన్ విత్ అవుట్లేయర్? చెప్పండి సర్జీ. విత్ అవుట్లేయర్. విత్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ? అవుట్లేయర్. It is also called as a modified box plot. It is also called as a, right. So outlayers representation will be something like a dot notation actually. Outlayer can be small, outlayer can be large. Yesterday covered actually. Kada? Yeah. Guys, very easy. If you are not sleeping during the session, it is very easy. Okay. Move on. A box plot with outlayer is called as a modified box plot. Modified box plot actually. We are good to go. Important interview question. Important interview question. Can I ask you one question? నేను ఒక ప్రశ్న అడగమంటారా? గుడ్. డేనియల్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. How to recognize or identify missing values. Missing values మనం ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం? వెరీ గుడ్. Very good. Nice response. Simple, Daniel. Df dot is an a. Df dot what exactly is an a? Column wise representation. Good. Good. Hold on. Now what we need to understand, then same thing like that. How to recognize, how to what exactly recognize. చెప్పండి. Recognize or what exactly? Outliers. ఇది కూడా మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. Identify. Please don't consider spelling mistakes. So outliers actually. Outliers. No method, there is a formulas. There are formulas. There are what exactly? There are formulas. That's what you need to be understand. There are formulas, right? Let me tell you what are those formulas. Data, missing values, having outlier. Daniel, how to recognize? Simple, just now you told actually. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పారు. చెప్పండి. df dot is na dot sum. We are good to go. డేటాకి మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకుందాం. యా డేనియల్, we have a missing values. The data having missing values. Boss, how to recognize actually? You can go for is na. Daniel, how to recognize outlier? Sir, apply formula. Apply what exactly? Formula. That formula, let me guide you how to apply actually. Very simple. చాలా సింపుల్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. లెట్ మీ టాక్ విత్ ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్. ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్, హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ స్లీపింగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ? I'm kidding. Are you following? I don't know. No answer. Okay. Thank you. Kishore, Kirti garu, Tejasvi. We are good to go. Google. Are. Okay. Yeah. This one is the formula. Daniel, what is this formula? Okay, hold on. When you're talking about the data, these are all keynotes only, sir. Even you put important points. How can I skip these are all? When you're talking about the data, data having what exactly? Common data. Data may have what exactly? Missing values. Data may having what exactly? Outlier. Chapman Sarji? Outlier can be either small or what exactly? Large. Outlier can be either what exactly? Small or large. If it is a small, separate formula to recognize actually. And if it is a large, separate formula. Okay. Do you want to recognize small outlier? There is a separate formula. Do you want to recognize large outlier actually? There is a separate formula. Right. The first formula indicates to recognizing small outlier, identifying small outlier. The second formula indicates to recognizing large outlier. Recognizing what mean? Large outlier. Are you ready? Yeah, let me tell you. What is the formula? Data value. Repeating again, data value less than Q1. What is a Q1? Quartile. Thank God you remembered actually. 1.5 is a fixed value. 1.5 is what, man? Did you remember pi? Pi value మీకు గుర్తుందా? Yeah, same thing like that. What is the pi value? Very good. You know maths very well, I guess, actually. This is the proof you know maths very well. Here also 1.5 is a fixed. It never ever change. What is IQR? Yeah. Interquartile range. What is the formula? Please remember, these are all things. If you know these are all things, then only you can understand this formula. If you ask again question, Arey Daniel, what is IQR? I will start again from scratch. Malli first nunchi modalu pettal. Cinema. Okay? Good. Sir, simple. If it is a small minus, good. Small outlier formula is this one. Large outlier formula, data value. Can you tell me? Greater than? Chapman Sarji? Greater than? The next one will be Q3. What is Q3? Quartile and plus 1.5 into IQR, right? Small outliers formula, large outliers formula. Hey, easy, sir. Very easy. Can you tell me data value? Chaptara less than Q1 minus 1.5 into. That's it. Next one. Chapani. This one is a small. Next one. Can you tell me the large actual? Data value greater than Q3 plus 1.5 into. Oh, good. You understand. Make ardham. That's it, sir.
Oh my dear Google, Yadundona.
Move on. Let's apply. So we'll take small data. Mano data this one. Let us apply. Good. Get ready, sir. Get ready. Checking outliers. So the same data, previous data only. Did you remember 10, 11, 12, blah, blah, blah. What is the last value? 59. What is the last value? 59. Let me tell you, the data seems to be common data. Chodaniki common data lo undi. So even we thought 10, 11, 12, 25, 25, 27, 31, 33, blah, 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 43, 50, 51, 59. Right? Yeah, good. So seems to, we thought no outlier, but there is a one outlier here actually. Okay, outlier ఉంటుంది. So sometimes choose మనం చెప్పలేం. By looking at that, we may not tell where is outlier actually. Then apply the formula. Apply what, Sarji? See, if I tell 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 150. What is outlier? 150. You can easy to recognize. But sometimes what happen, మీరు టాపిక్ నేమ్ చదవండి ఒకసారి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద టాపిక్ నేమ్? outlier. LI in the sense what exactly? It's not a real. మనకి రియల్ అనిపించదు. It's liar actual. మనకి అబద్ధం చెప్పొద్దు data. Right? We'll see. 10, 11, these are all. It's okay, man. According to that formula, let us just try to recognize either this data having small outlier, I don't know. Either this data having large outliers, I don't know. I need to recognize. Do you wanted to visualize the outlier actually? Go to the box plot. Go to what, man? Box plot actually. మీరు box plot కెళ్ళండి. But I wanted to know the numbers. I wanted to know what, man? Numbers. Then apply the formula. Apply what, man? Formula. Let's apply formula. First we need to recognize, we need to calculate IQR. Q3 minus Q1. What is a Q3? A simple basic math I am asking. Can you tell me what is a Q3? 36. What is a Q1? 25. 36 minus 25. Very good. 9 actually. Exactly. Okay. Let's move on. Good. Very good. Sorry. It's okay. Move on. Now, yeah, small outlier I wanted to recognize. Next one, large outlier I wanted to recognize. Small outlier if you wanted to recognize, formula Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. It's the right time. I need to impute this value. Substitute. What is the value? IQR. What is IQR value actually? Sir, 36 minus what exactly? 25. Ante kada? Good. Let's move on. 11. So the 11 actually. 36 లోంచి 20 తీస్తే 11. Good. Now move on. Let us just try to substitute, sir. Can you tell me Q1? What is the Q1 value? 25, Daniel. What is the next value? Q3. What is the Q3 value? 36, Daniel. So you're almost very near. This point is very, very important. This point chala important. Okay? Yeah. Good. 25 minus 1.5 into 11. 36 plus 1.5 into 11 actually. More the discussion. This is very, very important. What is important here, during interview, definitely they will ask actually. First point, let me confirm. 8.5 is not outlier. Next one, 52.5 is not outlier. Indirectly, this 8.5 is here actually. It will be helpful like you as a margin. It means to say that in the given data, is there any value less than 8.5? That is outlier. Let me repeat again. అంటే మీరు తీసుకున్న డేటాలో ఏదైనా వాల్యూ 8.5 కంటే 8.5 కంటే తక్కువ ఉందా, అది అవుట్లైర్ అవుతుంది. బట్ డూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ లైక్ దట్ యాక్చువల్లీ? నో. Indirectly this helpful for us like a margin. Okay, if any value less than 8.5, that is called as outlier. Then no small outlier. Confirmation number 1, there is no small outlier. Next one, if any value which is greater than, chappan sir ji, which is greater than 52.5. Yeah, tell me sir. Yeah, there is a value is a 59 is a outlier. 59 is what, man? Outlier. I understand you didn't understand. Let me repeat again. Malli repeat chestam. It's okay. Naaku ardham avutundi. Yeah, let me repeat again. Sir, first what we need to do, we need to apply this formula. Let's take this formula. Let's apply. If you take this formula, outliers are 2 types, man. Outliers 2 rakaluga untayi. Right? 1 minute. Let's close this all. Thank you. Go back. Daniel, there is a data. Common data, missing value, outlier. Outliers, it can be small or large. There is a separate formula. Here also separate formula. Good. Do you want to recognize small outlier? The formula will be data value less than Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. And large outlier formula, data value greater than Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. Good. Now, yeah, Daniel, we have a data. We have what exactly? Data. ఆ డేటా మనకి ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది అకార్డింగ్ టు ద డయాగ్రామ్? కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ? 10, 11, 12 అంతే కదా? 10, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 11, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కీప్ ఆన్. కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఇస్ ద లాస్ట్ 2 వాల్యూస్? 43. ఇట్స్ ఓకే. 43. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 50. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 59. ఇట్స్ ఓకే. గుడ్. నౌ we got outliers actually. We got what exactly mean? Outliers formula. Applied outliers formula. Apply చేసాం. Applied outliers formulas మనం అప్లై చేసాం. Once we apply this formula, we got like what is the result, sir? Small outlier value ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి? So 8.5. Now please make a note. You can take this data. You can take what exactly mean? This data here as it is. Now, yeah, here you can just have to keep it. Chappan sir ji 8.5. In the given data, yes, the data started from 10. If any value less than 8.5, just imagine there is a value is a 1. If 1 kuda undanukunnam, then 1 will become small outlier. 1 will become, there is no 1 actual. Then it concludes that there is no small value, no small outliers. Manaki small outliers levu. Can I get a response from you? Man, simple. This is something like a margin. Manaki margin lo use avutundi. For what? To recognize outliers unnaya leda cheppadaniki. Can I get a response actually? Good. Then can you talk with me? What is the next point actually? Right? Less than 8.5. Cheppan sir ji 8.5. And what exactly? Greater than? Cheppan sir 52.5. Very good. 52 point what exactly? 5 actually. Good. Now look at the data. Then this is the data. Less than 8.5. Data started from 10. Then there is no small outlier. 10. Can you talk with me? Greater than 43. It is not greater than 50. It is not greater than. Sir, 59. Yes, it is a greater than to 52.5. Then this is the catch. What is outlier here actually? 59. Conclusion of the story. The conclusion is, at least ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. The conclusion is 59 is outlier. What outlier? Large outlier. మనకి ఎక్కడ దొరికింది సార్ జీ? Large outlier. మీకు అర్థమైంది లేదు? ఐ బిలీవ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. అంటే go to the hospital. You are telling to the nurse or doctor, I am having fever, give a medicine. Will they give actually? First they will detect, they will recognize either really you are having fever or not actually. They will take the tool and they will just try to check actually, and here they will check what exactly temperature. If the temperature is greater than 100, just imagine 98 something actually. If the temperature is greater than 98, they will tell, yeah, you are having fever. You are having what exactly mean? Here also same, this works like a temperature values. ఇక్కడ మనకి టెంపరేచర్ వాల్యూలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఈస్ దేర్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ అని మీరు ఒకసారి డేటాను చూడండి. ఈస్ దేర్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 52.5? యా, దేర్ ఈస్ అ వాల్యూ. దెన్ క్లోజ్ యువర్ ఐస్, యూ కెన్ టెల్ దట్ ఈస్ అవుట్లియర్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ మీన్. డిడ్ యూ డేటాను చూసారా మీరు? దిస్ సీమ్స్ టు బి నాట్ ఎ అవుట్లియర్. అసలు అవుట్లియర్ లో మనకు అనిపించట్లేదు, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ అవుట్లియర్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ సర్జీ? అవుట్లియర్. మేడం, ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్? వెరీ నైస్. లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్. We done. Thank God we done actually. Mukhtar Sarji, I will tell you. With code how to recognize, I will tell you. Abhishek, did you understand at least now? Arey boss. 8.5 is not outlier. That is something like works like a margin actually. Sayusha Yadav. Sir, very nice answer. No, if there is any value, very good. Nice answer actually. You have given nice answer. Yadav Sarji. What about offline team? Filter this well. Then sir, yes, we can move on. But then, regarding outlier and box plot, just 60% only done. Yesterday we started the discussion outlier, and today 60%. I will continue. Now it is a continuation actually. It's very important. Can you give a small recap? నేను ఒక చిన్న recap ఇవ్వమంటారా? 5 numbers summary. I hope you already know this. Next one, Q1. The next one, Q3. Yep. The next one, box plot. Chappan Sachi, box plot. Here, whiskers. Next one, IQR. IQR. What is IQR formula? Q3 minus Q1. Okay. Now, third point. Outliers. What exactly mean? Outliers. Modified box plot also make up the modified what mean? Box plot. What do you mean by modified box plot? The box plot which is having outliers, which is so called as a modified box plot. Okay. Online team, hold on, search. Oh, can I take a chair? Then by this time you should understand modified box plot. Don't ask the definition one more time, please. Fourth one, outliers. 2 types: small outlier, large outlier. What is the formula? Daniel, you should not ask suddenly actually. Data value which is less than Q1 minus 1.5 into. Very good. Next one, large value. 1 minute. Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. During interview, if anybody is asking about, explain about box plot means, మీరు ఎలా గనక రాయగలిగితే, if you're able to write like this actually, that person will understand, you know the topic. మీకు టాపిక్ తెలుసు అని అర్థం అవుతుంది. Did you understand, sir? Right. I like to write running notes. ఇలా నోట్స్ రాయడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే మీకు హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. Good, move on. Okay. We done this chapter. Go back and we done this. Now this is the running topic. Okay. Can I cover one interview question? Okay, interview question cover చేయమంటారా? Let me cover one interview question. Did you cover soft keywords? Cover చేయలేదు కదా. ఓకే, ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్. ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్ నాట్ మచ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బట్ ఇట్ వుడ్ బి గుడ్ టు నో. ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అడగొచ్చు, అడగపోవచ్చు. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ. బట్ ఎనీవే లెట్ మీ కవర్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఫస్ట్. నేను క్వశ్చన్ కవర్ చేస్తాను, అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఓకే. In Python, how many soft keywords? Listen the question carefully. I am not asking about the keywords. I hope you already know how many keywords. 35. But sometimes not much important. ఇది రియల్ టైమ్ లో కూడా యూజ్ చేయం. బట్ డ్యూరింగ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ దే మే ఆస్క్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్ లైక్ హౌ మెనీ సాఫ్ట్ కీవర్డ్స్ ఎన్నో అని అడుగుతారు, రైట్? దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ లైక్ దిస్. ఇన్ పైథాన్ టోటల్ దేర్ ఆర్ 2 types ఆఫ్ కీవర్డ్స్. పైథాన్ లో మొత్తం కూడా ఇన్ పైథాన్ there are total keywords 2 types actually. First one, normal keywords 35. Normal keywords చెప్పండి సార్. normal keywords actually ఉండాలి. Did you understand? Daniel, we wanted to see that 4 actually. Yeah, I will show you. First let me ask you a question. Can I display all? Nobody may ask, but you should aware. అడగరు కదా అని మనం పక్కన పెట్టడం కాదు. You should aware. If I am telling not important actually, you are feeling happy, right? Anyway, ఎలాగో ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు, పక్కన పెట్టేచ్చు అనుకుంటున్నారు కదా. లెట్ మీ డిస్ప్లే ద కీవర్డ్స్ డిస్ప్లే చేస్తాను, చూడండి. KWLIST. This is keyword, I guess. It's a keyword, I guess. Keywords అయ్యండి పోవచ్చు. Yeah, you are getting. I wanted to know total number of keywords. ఎన్ని keywords ఉన్నాయో తెలవాలి. How to know? Yeah, very good. Keywords. It's a keywords. Then exactly. As I told you, total how many? 35. We should get the result as a 35. 35 ఖచ్చితంగా రావాలి result, right? Then length of. What exactly mean? Length of. Sir, this one is a predefined module. Inside predefined module, there is a one variable. Variable name is a KWLIST. Then you can just have to assign this one to here. Otherwise, you ఒక variable కి assign చేయండి కావాలి అంటే. Now you can cross verify. Total 35, no doubt in that. I'm sure my statement is valid. Are you with me? Good. Let's take this code and let me just try to write here actually. This is the code. Now, yeah, we understand, Daniel. Total, these are all keywords we understand. What you wanted to see next actually? Soft keywords. Displaying normal keywords. Previously, ఒక స్టూడెంట్ అడిగాడు, ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేటప్పుడు, కెన్ ఐ సే దిస్ ఇస్ ద హార్డ్ కీవర్డ్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఆ టెర్మినాలజీ అయితే లేదు. దో దిస్ ఇస్ ద సాఫ్ట్, రైట్? కెన్ ఐ సే దిస్ ఇస్ ద హార్డ్ యాక్చువల్లీ? నో, ఆ టెర్మినాలజీ లేదు. డోంట్ డూ ఓవర్ యాక్షన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. Now, print to display soft keywords. Soft keywords print చేయాలంటే KWLIST. Soft keywords కి I forget sir, but don't worry. DIR చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఖచ్చితంగా వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ దొరుకుతుంది. లెట్ మీ క్రాస్ వెరిఫై. కీవర్డ్స్ ప్రింట్ చేయడానికి KWLIST. యా జస్ట్ నథింగ్, జస్ట్ KWLIST కి ముందు సాఫ్ట్ పెట్టడమే. keyword dot KWLIST. The next one, print of keyword dot soft KWLIST. Four keywords రావాలి. What are those 4 keywords? Soft keywords 4 keywords ఏమి ఉంటాయో తెలుసా? మ్యాచ్, కేస్, అండర్స్కోర్, టైప్. దిస్ టైప్ ఇన్ 3.11 it is not there. I hope I'm using 3.11. నేను ఏ పైథాన్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నానంటే అటువంటిప్పుడు మీకు ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ యూజింగ్ 3.14 లో వస్తుంది ఇది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కీవర్డ్. కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ టైప్ ఈస్ వాట్? predefined function, but in 3.14 it is a function, it is soft keyword also. Dual nature. What nature? Dual nature అంటే రెండు రకాలుగా బిహేవ్ చేస్తుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ 3.14 యాక్చువల్ 14. బట్ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేస్తే ఓన్లీ మూడే వస్తాయి, ఓన్లీ 3 I can see. Yeah, see, did you notice? Underscore case match. Can you repeat again? Underscore case match. Daniel, where we are using? These are using in web applications actually. Web application లో ఎక్కువ వాడతాం. వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ప్యాటర్న్ మ్యాచింగ్ అనే ఒక టాపిక్ ఉంటుంది. ప్యాటర్న్ మ్యాచింగ్ there we can use actually. We can use. But in data science we never ever use pattern matching. This is so called as a pattern matching. Back to the session. Keywords, 2 types. One is normal keywords 35. Next one is soft keywords. Soft keywords is not much important. There are total 4 soft keywords actually. Aiming keywords unte telsa? Yeah, first one is a case, it's still okay. First one is a case, it's okay. Match, case, what is this one? Underscore symbol. The next one is a type. Next one is what, man? Type good untundi. Can I write a program actually? Take this example. If you want, I can share few examples. Match case మీద కొన్ని examples share చేయండి Daniel అంటే I will share, not immediately. You understand, I guess? That's what we need to be understand. Hey, simple sir. Daniel, I wanted to see Python documentation. మీరు చూడొచ్చు. In your free time you can spend some time. మీరు మీ ఫ్రీ టైంలో టైం స్పెండ్ చేయొచ్చు. Python keywords documentation అని ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. You can just say to here is the keywords. చూడండి, KWLIST. Click on this keywords. ఇక్కడ మీకు లిస్ట్ మొత్తం ఉంటుంది. These are all Python keywords. These are all what, Sarji? Python keywords. Exactly. They displayed the table like this. False, none, true. These 3 are called as a reserved literals actually. Literals antam, but from after here actually all are alphabetical letter, and as assert, async, await, these are all. What is the last one? Yield. Are you able to see anywhere case ఏమైనా కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు? ఓన్లీ C with C letter only 2. Match ఏమైనా కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు? Then case and match not belongs to normal keywords. Case and match belongs to the special keywords, that is so called as a soft keywords. Did you see? Match, case, underscore symbol, and what exactly? Type also. Type అనేది ఫంక్షన్. 3.14 వర్షన్ చూస్తున్నాను నేను. 3.14 వర్షన్. యా, ఐఎమ్ షూర్ 3.14. 14.1. ఓకే, డెవలప్మెంట్ వర్షన్. 3.15 కూడా డెవలప్మెంట్ జరుగుతుంది. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? దిస్ ఈస్ సో కాల్డ్ as a documentation. In my free time, I love to read documentation. Why? Because అసలు ఇండస్ట్రియల్ అప్డేట్స్ ఏం జరుగుతున్నాయి, పైథాన్ మీద ఏం జరుగుతుంది అనేది మీకు డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ ఉంటుంది. డోంట్ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ వన్ ఇమీడియట్లీ. ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు బి వెరీ గుడ్ ఇన్ పైథాన్. If you are really very good in Python, then this documentation will be easy to understand actually. Did you understand, man? Right. This is so called as a documentation. Chappan Sarji, documentation. Imagine Python creator, he created a Python programming language. He wanted to tell this world, everyone can use Python. Then he should create a documentation, he should share. Java creator, James Gosling, he created a Java programming language. He wanted to share Java to the world. He created a documentation. Pandas creator, he created a documentation. Like that, any technology, there should be official documentation. There should be official, all we are users, we need to follow that. Daniel, can I look into this one? Prastanik meer idi follow avuddu. Why? Because once you get a 1 year or 2 years of experience, then you can look at this one, you can easy to understand. Appudu ardham avutundi meeku. Okay, where are we? So yeah, I done this one. So total how many soft keywords? 4. Match, case, underscore, type. ఫస్ట్ కేస్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ బాగుంది. ఫస్ట్ కేస్ మ్యాచ్. ఒకసారి. కేస్ మ్యాచ్ అండర్స్కోర్ టైప్. So fine, that's what we done actually. This is we done. Now let us enter into the topic. ఈ కోడ్ రాసానా? Okay, keyword is a predefined module. Inside this predefined module, these two are variables. These two are what, man? Daniel, when you covered this topic actually, when I covered, sir, go to the Python. Topic name is a module. I have created a module. Module name is a addition multiplication. Inside that addition multiplication, I have created a variable. Variable name is a x. Still I remembered actually. I have shown practically how to import the module, how to access the variable. How to access what, man? Same fundamental. మీకు ఆ fundamental follow అయితే predefined module you can easy to understand. Okay? Can I alias it? దీన్ని నేను alias చేయొచ్చా? Yes, you can alias it. Yes, you can alias it actually. Next topic is a symmetric and what exactly? Skewness. దీని symmetry అనొచ్చు, symmetric అనొచ్చు, right? We'll see. I will tell you. Can I open the material? Symmetric and what exactly? Skewness. What it is, I will tell you. First నేను మీకు explain చేస్తాను చూడండి. What it is. So topic ఏంటో చూద్దాం. This concept explains about the shape of the distribution. See, previously, if you wanted to know how the data distributed, go to the especially 5 number summary, or else go to the so measures of center, measures of spread like this. Sometimes I just wanted to know the shape. I just wanted to know what, man? Shape. What do you mean by shape? Search it. Chudandi. Look at this one. This one is the data we have plotted. This one is the data. Just think like we have plotted actually. I would like to tell this one is a January, this one is February. Just imagine. I'm sorry, man. This one is a January, this one is a December. Total 12 months actually. Total what exactly, man? 12 months. Otherwise, even you can think like this one is Monday, this one is Sunday. Total how many days? 7 days. Good. If you closely observe from the middle left hand side direction, I mean to the left hand side shape actually, from the middle right hand side shape also almost same, equal. From the midpoint, if the shape almost equal and two partition, the data is called as a symmetrical data. What data? Symmetrical. Symmetric in the sense what exactly? Data distribution exactly divided into two equal shapes. Chapana Sarji? Two equal shapes. You can also call as a two equally partitioned. Chapana madam? Two equally partitioned actually. So please understand. Fine. So this concept explain. Yeah. You understand this, right? This diagram. Let me show you another diagram. Koni diagrams చూపిస్తాను. Do you think this is equally partitioned? No. And this is the another scenario. What is the next scenario, Sarji? This is another scenario. I would like to tell this is the one scenario. This is what exactly another scenario. If you plot the data, data can be equally partitioned, or else data can be if the diagram looks like this is so called as a left hand side long tail. Can you tell me left hand side long tail? Tail ante toka. Left hand side what, man? Long tail. The diagram can be right hand side long tail. Long tail actually. Data can be 3. అంటే మీరు డేటాను డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇట్ కెన్ బి డిస్ప్లే ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సినారియో. ఫస్ట్ వన్ విల్ బి సిమెట్రిక్. చెప్పండి సార్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ విల్ బి symmetric and next one will be asymmetric. Can you repeat again? Asymmetric. Also called as a skewness. Also called as what, man? Skewness. Either it will be skewed to the left, it will be skewed to the right actually. Right. Okay. Let me cover theory. Theory cover చేస్తాను చూడండి. I believe you understand. Can I talk with online team? Online team మీరు ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా? అయ్యో సార్ ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్ ఐ నీడ్ ఎ రెస్పాన్స్. Raise your hand. Anybody don't know Telugu? Just raise your hand. Oh, then few guys they are not aware. That's still okay. Yeah.